There are new drugs considered dangerous on the market, and parents are being advised to pay close attention to their children as they are being targeted. The warning comes from the National Council on Drug Abuse, which says some of these drugs are masked in products students buy from vendors at school gates. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
The four top drugs currently trending among students include lean, fentanyl, ganja edibles, and e-cigarettes. That's according to Suzanne Roy, Substance Abuse Officer for St. Elizabeth at the National Council on Drug Abuse. She says one of the drugs, e-cigarette, comes in different flavors and is available in over 400 brands.
What you could do with the e-cigarette, it has a cartridge where you can fill with the liquid nicotine, and as we know, nicotine is a very addictive substance. So what persons will do is they will smoke their e-cigarettes, and it also comes with a charger. So once it's finished, you can just charge it up. What I've noticed is that we've seen persons purchasing it within these towns. So Junction, Santa Cruz, Black River. Some children have mentioned that they see it for the cost of $3,500. I've seen it for myself on Facebook for $1,500 and for $7 US as well.
As the name suggests, ganja edibles are consumed by students eating products with ganja. These products can be purchased from vendors selling at the gates of schools.
But they don't put them out so that adults or guardians can see these things. They have it kept away, and then they attract the children and let them buy it. At times the children even know that they're purchasing this stuff. They just take it and buy it, and then something along the line happens to them, and then we find out that they have ingested marijuana. At times parents think they're smoking, but at times it's just that they have eaten something laced with the cannabis.
Which is why the National Council on Drug Abuse decided to embark on a program to bring awareness to what's happening. There is also a special appeal to parents to be vigilant in monitoring their children.
The persons who are targeting our children are getting smarter. There are things that have been masked to look like regular candies and chocolates that they're used to. And so I would say to teachers, parents, students to be on the lookout, make sure that they look at the items that they're purchasing, check the ingredients, make sure that they don't just take things from persons who are offering things, but that they know that what they're taking is quality.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.